I spent 2 months in the Silicon City.
I never planned to do an internship, but life had other plans. In the most unexpected way, I landed my first internship at Qualcomm. So here's my story, because sometimes the detours lead you to exactly where you're meant to be. So let's start from the backstory. Second year में internships आनी start हो जाती हैं colleges में, and उस time पे गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में all you do is prepare for intern and you give test. उस टाइम पे आई हैड नो इंटरेस्ट इन डूइंग एन इंटर्नशिप. लाइक मेरा माइंडसेट ही डिफरेंट था. जॉब रेस और ये सब में मेरे को कभी पढ़ना करना ही नहीं था, बिकॉज आई always thought I'm going to do something different. Everybody was doing DSA rounds, coding, और कभी इस चीज़ का इंटरव्यू है, कभी उस चीज़ का इंटरव्यू है, तो थोड़ा सा फोमो तो ऐसे होता था कि यार क्या am I missing out on something. One of my friend वो मेरे को ऐसे कन्विंस कर लेता था कि एटलीस्ट हम लोग टेस्ट तो दे देते हैं, बट वैसे कभी भी ढंग से नहीं देती थी, बिकॉज आई वॉज डूइंग समथिंग एल्स. आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन माई ओन ब्रांड एंड आई वॉज डूइंग व्हाट आई रियली लाइक डूइंग. आई वॉज लर्निंग एंड ऑनेस्टली आई लव्ड इट. बट कॉलेज हैज़ अ वे ऑफ गेटिंग टू यू. लाइक अब आसपास तुमको यही दिख रहा है, तो यू विल ऑल्सो थिंक कि यू नो यू शुड डू इट टू. सो आई रिमेंबर this particular incident when a friend of mine told me. So yeah, he was talking to someone and वो ऐसे बोल रहे थे कि यार लड़कियों में तो ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग कर ही रहे हैं, सबकी लग ही रही है एक्सेप्ट, और ऐसे उसने 2-3 लोगों का नाम लिया जिसमें से मेरा भी नाम था. एंड उस टाइम में मेरे को ऐसे दिस माइट नॉट बी द राइट रीजन टू डू समथिंग, बट हाँ उस पॉइंट पे मेरे को ऐसे हिट किया कि यार दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई कैन डू, और ऐसा नहीं है कि आई कैन नॉट डू इट. सो इफ आई हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी, सो लेट्स डू इट, लेट्स गिव इट अ चांस कि ठीक है कर लेते हैं. कह सकते हैं कि मेरा ईगो हर्ट हो गया था, इसलिए आई वाज लाइक कि आई वांट टू डू इट. या सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग डीएसए. कि मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता था कि क्या होगा, विल आई गेट एन इंटर्न और नॉट, बिकॉज बहुत लेट हो चुका था. कॉलेज की इंटर्नशिप वैसे भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं जा रही है, लाइक इतनी सारी कंपनीज तो नहीं आ रही थी, बट आई वॉज लाइक कि एटलीस्ट मैं पढ़ना स्टार्ट करती हूँ. तो फिर मैंने पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है लेट्स सी व्हाट इट हैज़ फॉर मी. सो नाउ कट टू व्हेन आई लैंडेड माई फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप. सो इस पॉइंट पे ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ तो बची ही नहीं थी कॉलेज में, एंड आई अप्लाइड इन अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज ऑफ कैंपस भी, बट विद नो एक्सपेक्टेशंस. आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स डू इट. इट वाज नेवर माई प्लान, बट समहाउ Qualcomm came into the picture. I just studied for it and I gave it my all. So I gave the test, gave the interview, and it all went really great. And सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा गया. And before that, it was not like मैंने internship नहीं कर रखी थी. So I had थोड़ा सा work experience, and I had experience in my resume as a brand owner, like from my startup. And third, I also did an online internship in one company. So I had 3 experiences in my resume. That helped me to get this internship. And one thing I will not forget is my friends. Like I cannot thank them enough for everything. If you have good friends, they'll push you towards doing good things. If you have a circle that is going in a different direction, they will take you in that different direction. So it's very important to keep a company around you that pushes you to do something better and go beyond your limits. I changed to my friend circle, and I was surrounded with different people. Everything was changing at that time and in a better way. So yeah, they were a very important part of this journey, and I don't know, मैं उनके बिना कर भी नहीं पाती शायद. And of course my family, like when I landed this internship, they were so happy and sad at the same time, because I was going to a different city. And yeah, just like that the email came. I was like, I just received an email which says that I just got an internship offer, I guess. Yesterday I was just thinking कि यार क्या होगा, and today I just got this email, and oh my god, life is like so unexpected.
तेरी हर अचीवमेंट पे बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को प्राउड फील करती हूँ.
I feel very happy and I will get my room for 2 months.
Excellent. I am feeling excellent. I will treat it very well.
So I mean उस point पे मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था okay this is I'm gonna do something different. I don't know if this is what I wanted, but it felt worth it after all the effort I've put in. Now cut to the part when I got into Qualcomm and I went there for my internship. So it was an insane experience. Like it was a whole new world, I would say. Hi guys, we are in Bangalore. ये मेरा first time होगा अकेले travel करना. Hi guys, I have checked in my room. Yeah, tomorrow is my first day at office. In my office and I had breakfast and I am having coffee. I was part of their formula team and honestly everyone was so nice. At first I was a little scared कि यार कैसा होगा? Will I be able to perform that good? Multiple thoughts in my mind. I just got out of a shower and I have a lot of work. I have office का काम and then I have college का कुछ काम. I have to study too a little bit. I have a lot of work, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that, complete that and work from home होने वाला है basically आज. So yeah. But everyone there was so nice and they were ready to teach and explain everything, every doubt I had. So it was a beautiful experience. Like no one ever made me feel like I'm just an intern there. And I felt very curious there. Like I wanted to learn and I wanted to help. I wanted to contribute in there. So I was actually liking it. Like every day was something new, something exciting. The work life was amazing. Culture was amazing. It was a very different experience in a new city. Like I was scared in the starting, but I met some people there and it was amazing. So now let's cut to the life in Bangalore. So oh my god, the weather is so good there. It's windy, it's chilly, it's pretty. Every weekend I used to do a different thing, like पूरे week काम, and every weekend we used to go somewhere and मजे करते थे, like work-life balance. I obviously missed home a lot उन 2 महीनों में, but for those 2 months, I felt like I like this city. I like what I'm doing. I love being here. Hi guys, this is my last night in Bangalore and I just want to document it. It all happened too fast. Like I can't believe that 2 months are over, but the feeling that I'm feeling is like not expressible. I feel a lot of emotions inside and I'm excited to go home, but I kind of feel sad because not exactly sad, but I liked it here and it was nice. I am so grateful that I was here. So yeah, this is Aditri signing out. Bye. Coming next to what I learned. So here's the thing, I still don't know if that job race is for me, but this experience, it made me stronger in a lot of ways. I learned that showing up matters more than being perfect, and I feel like it's okay to question your path कि जो तुम कर रहे हो, like is it right for you, is this your correct direction और जो भी है, like you have a lot of मतलब बहुत सारे questions आते हैं दिमाग में, and sometimes doing some things outside of your comfort zones जो तुम्हें लगा था कि तुम नहीं करोगे gives you clarity. So yeah, for now I'm learning to be grateful for what I have and appreciate the present without losing myself in the noise. Like I don't want to get lost in the race and I still don't know what do I want exactly, but I feel like you do things, you explore things and then you decide what is the right option for you. Like this whole experience, everything, this whole story reminded me of how lucky I am to have a family that stood by me even when they didn't fully understand what I was doing. Like उनकी भी expectations होती हैं, लोग expectations होती है placement में बैठेगा निकालेगा. In my case, I got banned from placement. That is a story for another time. But yeah, I was not sitting in college placement. मतलब उन्होंने मेरे को बैठने नहीं दिया था. But no regrets. But what I'm saying is I'm grateful for the people I have with me. हर एक point पे मेरे को इतनी strength दी है, मेरा इतना रोना सुना है. If you feel like everyone is ahead of you, then you are not alone. Here is what helped me. Focus on your strength. Don't copy others blindly. Like जो पाथ किसी और बंदे का है वो तुम्हारा कभी नहीं हो सकता. सेकेंड इज बिल्ड समथिंग. किसी ना किसी चीज पे काम करते रहो. इट विल इवेंचुअली ग्रो योर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड लाइक डोंट सिट आइडल. लाइक डू समथिंग. कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा करते रहो. थर्ड टिप दैट आई वुड वांट टू गिव यू गाइज इज बिलीव इन योर टाइमलाइन. सबका टाइमलाइन डिफरेंट होता है. सेम टाइम पे सबके साथ सब कुछ नहीं होता. सो बिलीव इन योर टाइमलाइन. इट्स ओके टू स्टार्ट लेट एंड इट्स ओके टू pivot. Your path doesn't need to look like others. If this video in any way way resonated with you. I hope you are doing okay and you are doing what you want. Keep building, keep growing, and the right moment for you will come. And if you're interested in my journey and to know about anything else, then subscribe or comment what kind of videos do you want. That was my internship journey. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye.